Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. Don't mind me, I'm just searching for my ideas, just trying to come up with new ideas for the channel. Which reminds me that today I'm gonna teach you how to deal with haters. Now, we've all encountered various haters before, but do you know how to deal with them is the question, which you probably judging by the fact that you clicked on this video, probably not. You probably have no idea what the fuck you're doing, which is why I'm here making this video, I'm gonna show you 3 different ways on how you can deal with a hater. And trust me, all of these work. They're not in they're not step by step. They're you can take these ways. You can take one or the other. You don't have to do all of them. So just keep that in mind. But firstly, I gotta mention my number one hater, who was I found out yesterday. He's he's been suspended. God, they got him. They got my man. They got him. Bring him back. Bring him back. I'm sorry. I just can't believe that happened. Who's gonna hate me now? I lost my number one hater. Who's gonna hate me now? I feel like this whole tutorial is useless because I don't even have haters anymore. And everyone else, this fucking idiot doesn't matter, by the way. This idiot doesn't count, but this is the only hater that ever mattered to me. And I'm gonna have to work it out later. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna continue. Let's actually, let me fucking, I wanna get my bearings. Fucking hypercam, you fucking piece of shit. Fucking, how dare you fucking disobey me, bitch. Fucking hypercam, fucking piece of shit software that I pirated. Fuck you. Where are you? Get the fuck out here, you fucking dog. Mother. Okay, I'm just gonna quick. Okay, so I'm gonna show you method number 1. Now, the first method you could use is just simply ignore. You can just ignore them, which is gonna be a better use of your time. If there's some fat ass dickhead on the internet calling you gay and stupid, you can just ignore them and do something better with your life, like play a video game, for example, which I'm gonna showcase right now. As you can see, I'm playing an awesome cool game called Quake 3, and you can kill people, and it's alright. I'm not stressed about it. I'm not stressed about people like saying mean shit and stuff to me, online, because I can play this game relaxed and no one's gonna say mean things about me. That's fuck. Damn it. Call me an idiot. Well, you're gonna get haters everywhere you go. Like I said, just ignore them. Like they can call you mean things. They can basically verbally abuse you online, like virtually, like they can abuse you. Okay, slowly. But you don't have to pay it. fucking stupid. Die, die. Fuck. Fucking, who's this guy? Noob Powder? I'm not a noob. Fucking stupid idiot. Fucking trying to play tough on the internet. Fuck, I fell. Fucking. It's fucking cheating. Fuck. Wait. Fuck! Fucking can't even. Being assaulted by an illiterate idiot. Fucking. Where is he? He's jumping around. He's fucking Sonic the Hedgehog. We go. I'm dead. How did I die? Fuck. Shut up, dude. Fucking show him right. Show him right. I'm not a dumbass piece of shit. I'm not. I'm not. Fuck you. Bitch. Fuck this stupid fucking game. I'm fucking. Fuck. Now method number 2 is a bit different. And it was a. Hold up. I forgot. Hold up. What was it? Right. You have to hold up, that's not how you spell R-E. What is an A here? Okay, yeah. Reason with them. You could reason with them rationally, because you know we're humans. We're not apes, and we can communicate, and we can talk and stuff, and yeah, we can have civil discussions. Like I'm gonna show right now. I'm gonna cut to yeah. Okay, bro. So for this section, I'm gonna teach you how to deal with a hater. So here's my friend Greg. Dude, your GTA 4 play review is cool, but that game sucks compared to San Andreas. Now let's show Greg what I think, because he's obviously wrong in the situation. No, my dear friend Greg, it is simply not true. It is true that GTA 4 is a better game because it has more realistic graphics. And that doesn't matter. It has better graphics and stuff. Yeah, well, you can't even do anything in that game. Obviously you can. Yeah, you can. You can do so much stuff. Sometimes you can work out and be buff, and map is gigantic. That's a good point. Well, you can drive. No. You have physics and stuff in GTA 4 car physics. Now that's gonna show. That's an even better point than what he's trying to make here. Like that stupid glitch he swings at. No. No, there's more like. No way. Rockstar made a bad game, just admit it. But no way, man. GTA 4 has so much better stuff, like graphics and stuff. You're just jealous that you can't run it. Seriously, GTA San Andreas is a masterpiece. They made GTA 4 so they could fit more graphics in it. No, like No, that is not true. What the fuck is he talking about? I have already. I don't know what the fuck that even is. I don't know what that is. I just. So what, dude? My PC is better. Fucking loser. Doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. That game runs like shit on good computers anyway because it fucking sucks. No, it doesn't. Fucking pissing me off. I'm making a clear point here, and he just doesn't get it. He's so fucking stupid. This fucking stupid idiot, Greg. Like, it's fun and all, but Sandra is just a better game. No question, bad. Hold up. Actually, I can't. No. Shut up, you fucking bitch. I'm right. You know I'm right. No. I'll hack you. Oh shit. Uh. Well. That was my interaction with Greg. Nice fella. I must admit. Okay. That doesn't fucking work either. Okay. Um. So instead of that, we're gonna do something else. We're gonna hate them. So this is also similar to responding, but instead of responding like a human being, you call them fucking ugly, stupid, fat, and ugly and stupid, and yeah, I'll show that right now. I'm gonna be a hater right here. See, there's this guy here. He shows this little alarm thing. It's pretty cool.
Okay, so how many of you know the song Whoop Whoop, that's the song that I believe? I have my own personal rendition of me when I don't want to go to school. Beep, beep, that's the sound of the alarm. Beep, beep, that's the sound of the alarm.
And wouldn't you know it, there's a hater in his comment section. I just like this. Why do you not like it? Thankfully, I got a comment for him. At Blooming Boy 69. Fuck you, you stupid fucking moron. That's right. I called you a moron. 'Cause you are the biggest fucking moron I have seen on this side of the internet. I hope that in the future you will experience being touched by a autistic gay person, and by touched I mean your penis. And post. Dude, I don't think you need to go that far. See, so that's basically how you do it. So that's basically how you deal with the haters. And I guess yeah, you just become a hater yourself. Well, stay tuned for more tutorials that are gonna be coming I don't know when. No, I don't fucking care. I'm a fucking hater, dude. Fuck you.
It's Chad Warden here. Alright, I'm talking about gay niggas. Fuck, everybody knows that girls can't do shit other than geometry. No, I need to play some gay games while I'm rolling my caddy. How am I supposed to get some honeys with a dildo? It's like, yo baby, look at my dildo. You know what they say to me? Shit, that shit is mad gay. When I show them my pee, honeys, oh, fucking laugh.